Hello, my name is Muhammad Andrian Seiram. My name is 17230420 from class 175A05. I will explain about inside computer and software and operating system. A computer. Conventionally, a computer consists of at least one processing element, typically a central processing unit (CPU) and some form of memory. The processing element carries out arithmetic and logic operation, and a sequencing and control unit and change the order of operation in response to stored information. Peripheral devices allow information to be retrieved from. This part is called an arithmetic logic unit. An arithmetic logic unit is a part of a central processing unit that carries out arithmetic and logic operations. The ALU takes the input operand and instruction and outputs the result. Control unit. Control unit, subcomponent of a central processing unit that manages a computer's operation. The control unit fetches instructions from the CPU's memory, represent in bits, and translate those instructions into control signal in the form of pulse of electricity or light. The signal are commands, which are followed by other parts of the computer. Memory. Memory is the electronic storage space where a computer keeps the instruction and data it needs to access quickly. It's the place where information is stored for immediate use. Memory is an important component of a computer, as without it, the system would not operate correctly. The computer's operating system, hardware, and software all rely on memory to function properly. Input-output. Input-output is the communication between an information processing system, such as a computer, and the outside world, such as peripheral, actuator, or sensor. Input are the signal or the data received by the system, and output are the signal or the data sent from it. Hardware component input device. Input devices are hardware components that allow user to feed data or instruction into a computer system. They translate human action or physical condition into signal and a computer can understand and process. Example, keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Output device. Output devices are hardware components that disseminate and display data, information, and answer generated by a computer system to user or other system. Example, monitor, printer, and speaker. Mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that controls a cursor in a GUI, graphical user interface for pointing, moving, and selecting text, icon, files, and folder on your computer. In addition to this function, a mouse can be also be used to drag and drop objects and give you access to the right-click menu. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that allows you to type letters, numbers, and symbols into your computer or other electronic device. It usually has a set of keyboard arranged in a specific layout, such as QWERTY or Dvorak. Monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that shows visual data, such as text, images, or videos on a screen. It typically includes a display panel supporting circuitry, power unit, enclosure, connector for external device, and controls for user interaction. Device, how it saves data and program. Hard disk. HDDs are usually installed in desktop computer, mobile device, consumer electronic, and enterprise storage areas in data center. They store operating system OSes, software program, and other files using magnetic disks. Flash disk. A flash disk drive is a small and portable storage device that connects to computer and other device using a USB Type-A plug that is built into the drive. The way flash drives work is similar to solid-state drive or SSDs, and some people refer to them as SSDs. However, SSDs are typically not portable. Main part of computer, whether it's a gaming system or a home PC, the five main components that make up a typical present-day computer include a motherboard, a central processing unit, a graphic processing unit, also known as a video card, random access memory (RAM), also known as volatile memory, storage, solid-state driver (SSD) or hard disk driver (HDD). How computer memory is measured? Computer memory is measured in byte. Standard design are kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. Next, I will explain about software and operating system. Definition: software is the programs that are run on computer hardware. There are two different types of software: system software and application software. Application software. Application software is software that is intended for end user use, not operating, administering, or programming a computer. Example: Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Outlook. Definition: operating system. An operating system (OS) is a collection of software that manages a computer's hardware and application but by allocating resources including memory, CPU, input-output device, and file storage. Example operating system. Number 1. Windows. Windows 1.0, Windows 2.0, Windows 3.0, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Number 2, Linux, Debian, Ubuntu. Number 3, macOS, macOS X 10.0, Cheetah, macOS X 10.1, Puma, macOS X 10.2, Jaguar, macOS X 10.3, Panther, and macOS 26, Tahoe. Example application: word processing apps, spreadsheet apps, database, application suites, multimedia apps, communication apps, internet browser, and email apps. I think it is enough from me. If I have any problem or mistake, please forgive me. Thanks for your attention.